Hi, I am Professor Ashok Vishwandas, Professor of Applied Economics in Indian Institute of Public Administration, IIPA. Today we are going to discuss about the Civil Service Preliminary Examination CSET paper, and those questions will be discussed which were actually asked by UPSC in the exam. Let us look at this question. Now, Ina is 13 years old. She is 24 years older. So, mother's age, say x is equal to 13 plus 24. That means her present age 37 and father's age, suppose it is y, because of 3 years difference between mother and father. So, 37 plus 3, father's age is equal to 40. But she was born 4 years after her parents' marriage and her present age is 13 years. It means the father was married 17 years ago, and if his present age is 40 and the age at marriage of father will be 40 minus 13 plus 4, that means 23. If we solve, this is 23. Therefore, option B is the right answer. Next question. We have to see the three single digit odd prime number. Single digit odd prime number are 3, 5, 7. And average of these number we have to add and divide by 3 and we'll get the answer 5. So the length of the first piece is straightway 5. Now let us assume the length of second piece is x. Then by the condition, length of the third piece will be x plus 5, and we have the length of third piece of course is x plus 5, but length of the second piece with x will be 5 plus x plus 5 by 3. And we solve this equation, we get x is equal to 10, and the second piece will be 10 unit and third will be 15 unit. And if we add these three sizes, 5 plus 10 plus 15, we get 30. So the right answer is option D. Next question. Precondition is 5 floors are painted with 4 different colors. Statement 1. The middle 3 floors are painted in different colors does not guarantee any 2 consecutive floors of different colors as the color of 1 and 2 or 4 and 5 can be same. Let us look at statement 2. Second and fourth floor are painted in different colors does not guarantee any 2 consecutive floors of different color as the color of 1 and 2 or 2 and 3 or 3 and 4 or 4 and 5 can be same. Look at statement 3. Will ensure that any 2 consecutive floors have different colors as there are only 4 colors to be used. The remaining 3 colors will be different colors. Therefore, this statement 3, the first and third, this only statement 3 is sufficient. Therefore, option B is the right answer. Next question. Such questions we have requires a little bit of imagination and a trick. And trick is we have to break 26 alphabets of English language into 13 pairs of 2 letters each, and one will be capital and other will be lowercase letter. For example, this A, then B, this will be one pair, then C, small d, second pair, E, small f, likewise. We will make it, the last pair will be Y capital and Z small. So this will be 13th pair. Now we have to find out this, and on this we will find that J will appear small, U will be capital, L will be small and Y will be capital. And therefore option D will be the right answer. Next question. There are 2 steel blocks A and B. Let us assume the weight of A is 100 kg. On top of it, another steel block is kept, say B, and the total weight increases by 60%. That means the weight of A and B is 160. Now B is removed. The question is how much weight will reduce with respect to the total weight of A and B. So we have to see essentially, because increase was 60%, so what percentage is 60 of the total weight? Therefore 60 divided by 160 into 100. So this will work out 37.5%. So option D is the right answer. Next question. In a 30-day month, all the 7 days of the week occur 4 times. That means 28 days will be in this, and 2 days of the week occur 5 times. These 2 days will be the first 2 days or the last 2 days of the month. That means a certain day is occurring 5 times in a month. It must be on those first 2 or last 2 days. Now the second child's birthday is on Thursday, so it has to be at the end of November. That means either 29th November is Thursday or 30th November is Thursday. If 29th November is Thursday, then December 20 will be a Thursday. If 30th November is Thursday, then December 20 will be Wednesday. This is not given in the option, hence the option has to be Thursday, so the option B is the right answer. Next question. Essentially, 12 kilometers is 80% of the total distance. That means 80 upon 100 into x. X is the total distance is equal to 12 kilometers. So x will be 12 into 100 upon 80. That means 15. So right answer is option B. Next question. Here the important point is 75% of the handset. We don't know the price of handset. Let us assume it is X. So that means 75 into X. 75% means 75 upon 100 into X is equal to 9,000. And if we solve this question, so the X, which is the price of handset, will be 9,000 into 100 upon 75. So which will work out 12,000. Now the price of handset is 12,000 and he has 9,000 and borrows 2,000 from a friend. Still he will have 9,000 plus 2,000. So that means 11,000. But the price of handset is 12,000. So Raju still does not have enough amount to buy the handset. So option A is the right answer. In such type of question, we have to work out LCM of these numbers 4 and 6. Now how to work out this 4? We can write 2 into 2. Then 6 is equal to 2 into 3. So the LCM of these numbers will be 4 and 6 will be 2 into 2 into 3. That means 12. Now we have to see such a number is possible which are completely divisible by 12, and which are those numbers between 1 and 100? 12, 24, 36. We have to see this 48, 60, 72, 84, 96. We have to count these numbers and then see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 are the numbers, therefore option B is the right answer.